Hi, I'm Matthew from Matt Attended, and you guys probably already know that Apple hasn't shipped their new iPhones with Apple Intelligence, and with iOS Beta 18.1, they haven't released a new Siri we have been promised, and instead they wanted to release it in 2025. So I'll have a quick and easy alternative to make Siri actually smart with ChatGPT and the Shortcuts app. And you don't need an API key from ChatGPT. Let me show you real quick. I'd like to try a quick demo. Hey Siri GPT.
It seems like your message might have been cut off. Could you please clarify what you need assistance with?
So what can you do?
I can assist with a wide range of tasks, including 1. Answering questions or explaining concepts on various topics, science, history, technology, etc. 2. Helping with math problems, writing essays, or school assignments. 3. Offering advice on projects like 3D modeling, VFX, or game development. 4. Providing guidance on cryptocurrency mining, managing your online business, or tech-related queries. 5. Generating creative content such as stories, scripts, or artwork. 6. Reviewing and offering suggestions for improvements in writing or code. Let me know what you'd like help with.
So right now, you're in camera with my audience right now. So hey hi to them.
Hello to everyone in the audience. Hope you're all doing great. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to learn or discuss today.
So let me show you how to do this real quick. So first, you would want to go to the App Store, search up ChatGPT, install it if you haven't already, create an account and set it up with them. Now, go to Shortcuts, new shortcut, rename it to GPT, and then search up ChatGPT, and press Ask ChatGPT. Click the little drop-down menu, and press Start New Chat, and it continues chat. And select your model. I will use ChatGPT 4.0 for this one, and you're pretty much it. Now, when you go to Ask Siri, ask this. Hey Siri GPT.
Sorry.
Hey Siri GPT.
What would you like to ask ChatGPT about?
What can you do?